Hi, this is Lizeth Gonzalez, Senior Transportation Planner at Serped. During the Discovery Workshop, you'll have a chance to participate in 2 different online exercises. This video will show you how to participate in the ranking exercise. We put the ranking exercise together using the past 20 years of Mattapoisett's planning history. We looked at plans and reports that consider land use, housing, among all the other elements that you'll see in the master plan process. We use these plans to gather data and information, but most importantly, the goals and priorities that are important to the community and will shape its future. Take a look at the previous planning goals and priorities and start thinking about what resonates with you and what doesn't. That's really important to this exercise. We'll move on to the virtual workshop page and take a look at the ranking exercise there. Now that we're on the Mattapoisett Discovery Workshop page, you're going to want to go down to the main messages ranking exercise. That'll take you to this section right here. You're going to want to click on this icon and it'll bring you to the survey. As you can see, we have a couple options. You have land use, housing, and it goes through the list. To tell us how you feel about these goals and priorities, you're just going to want to read them and reorganize them and label them however you think is best. So for example, this one, I'm going to label it as number 1 on my list of priorities. And we'll make this one here 2. I'm going to pull that one up to the top, and automatically it reorganizes them. Let's do this one more time. You can pull it up to the top and it'll rank them all for you. And then you can say, this one doesn't really resonate with me. So you can say not applicable. And you can also think maybe this option here is also not applicable to you. And you can keep going through the list. And as you go down, you'll just click done and it'll record your results.